Guys, welcome back to It's Your Beauty, and today we're going to do a Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette inspired look with this palette, and we're going to create this look. And if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I'm going to keep it real simple today. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notification. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. Thanks guys, I appreciate the love. Let's get started. Off camera, I like to prime my eyelids, and I also like to use tape to mark off where I want my line to be. I normally prime my eyelids with the Morphe eyelid primer, and it's been working pretty good, but I wanted to try something new. So I started using the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and it's like a tan color. And forgive me because my camera is taking a long time to focus on the shade. There you go. This comes in 4 shades. I believe I saw 4 or 5 different shades. I bought it about a week ago, so far so good. I'll keep you guys posted on how I like it. The first shade that I'm going to use as a transition shade is called Deviant, and it's like a baby lilac. It's so pretty. It's this color right here, and we're going to use this one all over our lid. It's this color. Again, I'm trying to get my camera to act right, but might take a minute. There you go. So it's that color right there, and that's our transition shade. Oh yeah, I'm not using the Morphe M573 brush. I'm using the Morphe M433. Wait, that's too many threes. I'm using the Morphe M433 brush this time, and it's this brush right here. The reason why I'm using it is because I just wanted to try something new. See, my camera, it's taking a long time to focus in for some weird reason. It's like, I don't know, but so just forgive me guys. But that's the brush that we're going to be using to apply Deviant. So I'm putting Deviant all over my lid. I hope everybody's doing well with what's going on in the world. Staying safe, staying healthy. If you have to stay in unless it's absolutely necessary. Myself, we're still open for business. So guys, your girl is still going to work. But hey, better to have a job than not have a job, right? As you can see, this color is so pretty. I love it. Next color that we're going to use in our crease is Vivid Mood. It's a little bit darker than Deviant. It's this shade right here. As soon as my camera wants to pick it up, because, you know, it's acting up. Okay, there you go. It's that shade right there. That's the one that we're going to use in the crease. It looks like it's a darker version of Vivid Mood. I actually like this color too. I like all the colors. They're very pretty. Now we're going to put Blood Queen in our crease. It's a even darker purple. It's this color right here. I like this color too. Let's see. I think you guys can see it. There you go. It's that color right there. We're going to put that to darken our crease a little bit more. before we cut it. I also want to bring it down in the outer crease area. I think I might want to switch to, let's switch to the 506 brush, which is this brush right here, just so we can get in here. Before I cut the crease, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Dungeon, like right up in here, just to darken it just a little bit. And Dungeon is this color. Wait, this is, okay, it's purple. It's a dark purple, okay? This color, right here. When my camera acts right. There you go, that one. We're gonna put that just to darken the outer V. When it's dark like that, it adds a little dimension to the colors. So, just a little bit. Okay, I think we're ready to cut our crease. Okay, so to cut the crease, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star concealer in C14, which is this color. And then I'm going to use this detail brush. I think it's from Real Techniques. Might not be. I'm not sure, but it's a detail brush. It's this one right here. As soon as, you know, Slowpoke comes along. There you go. Oh yeah, guys, we're not doing a full cut crease today. We're gonna do a half cut crease. Forgot to tell you guys that. You know, it's so hard to talk and cut a crease. So the silence is gonna be epic. You can just listen to all my background noise since, you know, people want to make a lot of noise right now while I'm trying to film. They've gotten a little bit quieter. But when you have neighbors, that's what happens. Lid shade is gonna be Wet Jewel, the new formula that he created. But you know what I noticed with using the ones that's the new formula? When you use a brush to apply it, it's very hard. I'm gonna use this little small fluffy brush right here to try to apply it. And I'm gonna use patting motions because that's what I used on this eye, but it's very hard. You can use your finger if you have small fingers, but if you have big fingers, then it's probably going to be a problem because it does go on if you use your finger or if you use like a fluffy brush. Shit, if you use your finger with a patting motion, it goes on. With a brush or your finger with a patting motion is the way it goes on better, because I tried to use a different brush and it just would not pick up the product. So like if you do like that, no, you have to pat it. So you either have to use your finger to pat it on or like a fluffy brush to pat it on. It's a pretty color. My dumb ass, I did not even show y'all what Wet Jewel looked like. Let me show you now. It's actually this pink color right here, and you know, slow poke camera will pick it up. It's a pink color. It's, I don't know, guys. It's pink. It's right there. And it's like a sparkly pink. Let me see if I can put it on my finger and maybe show you a little bit better. Maybe. No, not gonna happen. Not at all. There it goes. That's the pink. In the middle of our lid, we're gonna use Pink Magic, and it's this color. It's part of his new formula as well. It's this color right here. I'm gonna have to operate on this camera because this camera is acting a whole fool. This color right here. We're gonna put that in the middle of our lid, and we're gonna have to use, because it's the same formula, we're gonna have to use the same fluffy brush and pat it on just so it'll stay, because like I said, the new formula, for some reason, if you pat it on, it works better. Or your finger or patting it on, it works better. On our lower lash line, we're going to use Vivid Mood. I can't really pick a favorite color out of this palette because the purples are all very, very pretty. Really, really pretty. I hope you guys can see it. Let me bring it a little bit closer, invading my space. There you go. Guess what I found? A new liner that we're gonna try. I already took it out the box because I did this eye. It's the Wet n Wild 16-hour break-up proof, waterproof liquid eyeliner in black. It's in this box right here, which doesn't look like a pink and black box because, you know, my camera has issues today. But it came out pretty good on this eye, so I wanted to do this eye first before I got on camera, just in case I had to result back to our old eyeliner, Miss Morphe. We were gonna use her if this one didn't act right, but it's acting right, so let's use her. Ooh, I'm messing up already. Too late to turn back now. This is bad, just as bad as cutting a crease. Cutting a crease and doing a cat eye while talking is just, it's very hard. Might have to clean this one up some. Oh yeah. No. I'm gonna have to clean this up off camera. Okay, so we had some eyeliner technical difficulties. I'm also gonna add some eyeliner to my lower waterline, which I normally don't do. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends. But today is a due day. So. Plus I want to see how it stands up. Since it's saying it's waterproof, smudge proof. What else did it say? Breakup proof. So I guess when you're crying, it won't go everywhere, right? Oh, good to know. But not planning on crying anytime soon. Anywho. And guess what? I'm gonna use a new mascara from W7 Flirty Eyes. What's W7 and where did I get this from? I have no clue, but it's called Flirty Eyes from W7. I'm gonna use it because it was in my mascara drawer. It's black. The tip looks like this. Oh well, let's see. I left Smashbox in the drawer for today. I'm hurt and devastated because if this Flirty Eyes doesn't work, it's okay. I'm guessing I'm okay with it today. I don't think it will be my go-to. Smashbox Superfan is still gonna be my go-to. But it's not bad. It's not spectacular. It's not Smashbox. How about that? Okay, this is the finished look, you guys. On my lips, I have Maybelline 725 in the color Lilac Flush. And it's this color right here. As soon as you know Slowpoke gets it together, because I really want you guys to see how pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Just to tie in the look with the purple and the lilacs that we have going on. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.